Hello everyone. In the series of the JavaScript questions which are very commonly asked in interviews, today we are discussing one of them. So today we have one question and which is filter object keys based on non-empty array values in JavaScript. Basically what this question is asking that we are given an object named as obj where each key maps to an array of either string, number or an empty array. What we have to do, we have to write a JavaScript expression to extract all keys from the object whose corresponding array has a non-zero length. That is, either it contains at least one element or it can be more than one, but at least it containing at least one element. Okay, so for that I have taken an object whose some value, item 1 which empty array, item 2 which value of array of one string, item 3 has again empty array, item 4 has array of a string. Why string? Because the 4 is wrapped in double quote, so it's a string value. Item 5 was a value of number 5 which is also non-empty array, and item 6 is here. So let's start. Okay, for that what I'll do, I'll create an function, okay, named as something like yes. Before that I just want to know that do I need to do something to convert this object into array, or this array is iterable? Let's check. So what I'll do, I'll just write a console.log and I'll simply log this object value, what exactly the value we have, because it's an object. Okay, so first what we do mistake that we immediately start applying some array method like filter method, map method. So since we know that these all are the array method, it cannot be applied on any object, right? So first what we need to do, we need to convert this object into array. For that we have Object.entries one method where we pass this object and it will give something. So what it will give, I'll just store into an array. So it will give an array. Let's check that this array is what it really array or still object. I'll just console this array. We'll check. Okay, no, so at least this one is array. Now we can apply the array method on this array, right? Okay, so I'll just remove this console. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just write a method, okay, like this. So array, what I'll do, I'll just filter out. Okay, I'll just filter this one. What we have to find, we have to find those array whose value is at least not empty, right? So this, for that one, yeah, filter take anonymous function and I'll pass this one key and value, right? And I'll check that this values dot length is greater than 0. Okay, right. I'll check that what exactly we are getting this one. So I'll just console.log this complete, and we'll see that what exactly we are getting. Yes, so at least we have now all those keys of this object, keys value pair, whose value is not empty. Okay, so we filtered out. Now, so what we have to find, we are given an object where each key maps to this one, and we have to filter out the key. Okay, we have to filter out the key only with non-empty array. Okay, which value is in non-empty at least. Okay, so for that one, what we can do, we can map over this array. Okay, and we can find the key. So I'll write a map method into this. Okay, and here what I'll find a key. Okay, and it will return key. What it will give, I'll check out. Yes, so we have item 2, item 4 and item 5, whose value is at least not empty, which value length is at least 1. Okay, can we we'll check with some more values. Suppose item 7, whose value is suppose 1, 2, 4. Okay, so this item 7 also have the not empty. We'll check it's working for me or not. Yes, it's working for me. Now we have item 2, item 4, item 5 and item 7. So this is a very simple, but it's being asked very commonly in JavaScript interview questions. I hope this will help to understand that what exactly happening here. Okay, first we are filtering out those array element. The very first what we are doing, we are converting this object into array, and then we are applying the array methods like filter method, the map method over this array. So at the very first what we are doing, we are just finding out all keys and value pair whose value is greater than 0, means which array value is greater than 0. So at the very first what we'll have item 2, item 4, item 5, item 7. Then again, as we are required to find out only keys of these values, so now we just mapped over this filtered array, and we are finding out key. So now the very end we have this key. Okay, thank you.